Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize backend services with Oracle, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current backend architecture. Evaluate the performance metrics of your existing Oracle services. Identify bottlenecks that may be affecting system efficiency. Next, review your database schema for normalization opportunities. Consider denormalizing tables where appropriate for improved query performance. Ensure indexing strategies are optimized for your most used queries. Utilize Oracle's query optimization tools to analyze execution plans. Look for any long-running queries and analyze their performance. After that, implement partitioning strategies to enhance data management. Use database partitioning to divide large tables for quicker access. Explore Oracle's automatic storage management for better data organization. Regularly update statistics on your tables to keep the optimizer informed. Employ Oracle's Resource Manager to allocate system resources effectively. Assess the use of Oracle Data Guard for failover and redundancy. Consider implementing Oracle Golden Gate for real-time data integration. Use caching strategies to minimize hits on the database. Evaluate using Oracle's in-memory capabilities for faster data retrieval. Monitor system health with Oracle Enterprise Manager to track performance. Conduct regular reviews of your security configurations. Utilize auditing tools to ensure compliance and security. Plan your regular maintenance schedules for backups and updates. Review your application code for any inefficient queries or processes. Make use of batch processing to handle large data sets efficiently. Implement service-level agreements to ensure consistent performance. Lastly, stay informed about Oracle updates and new features. Apply best practices consistently for long-term optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.